do right now?
We're setting up the ramps right now. Basically, they're gonna change the track up a little bit. So they're gonna come in, set, and then they're gonna stay tight right here, and we're gonna jump over them.
Part of the car.
We have like 8 drip cars now. Yeah. We have like 6 mobile rigs.
True.
Full tire changers.
Shelby America, Forsberg.
America. It's come like
Forsberg,
this has been Xcomp and FuelFest has been 11 years.
Yeah, about
like years.
Yeah.
Been to Japan.
Third year. Been to Japan.
Been to Dubai.
Twice.
Yeah, twice we've been to Japan. Twice. One was just
twice
vacation.
in 1 year, dude.
One was just a rainy season, and then we're back.
Yep. Yes.
And now we're going to Orange County.
Yes.
Coast to Mesa.
Right there.
Newport Beach.
Come on. OC Fairgrounds.
5 minutes from my house. You can't.
We haven't announced that yet. I don't know when this video's coming out.
NDA.
But you heard it here for the first time. We are going to the OC Fairgrounds.
You heard it here first, y'all.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
So it's gonna be great. So thank you for everything you do.
No, thank you guys.
Thank
you guys.
You know we're always here.
You guys are fucking fun as hell.
Yeah.
Having a good ass time. We're back at Firebird, baby. We're back at Firebird. So happy to be here. This is where we started here in Arizona in 2021, 2022. Back then it was known as Wild Horse Pass Motorsports Park. It was supposed to shut down. They were gonna demo this whole thing. So we moved it. Grateful for our home that we had up in Scottsdale, Westworld. Craig Jackson was very gracious to give us that area down there. Super grateful, but honestly, FuelFest really belongs at a track, and to be able to be back here and do this is just, yeah, it's home, baby. It's good. It's really good. Let's go.
Okay,
that
how are
was good.
Yeah, you guys hear that?
That was solid.
Don't
dude.
follow it up. We'll never do it again.
No, man.
You good? Yeah, great, man. We're stoked. Been ripping some laps. Just got jumped over.
Yeah,
having a good old
good.
time.
Good. We got
Yeah.
2 trucks this year.
Yeah. Yeah. So we got 2 trucks. We got
What
like
else?
6 cars out there.
So I saw Wilkie's buggy.
Yeah, he's got the bug. It's like a Ford Bronco. Pretty wicked.
I haven't seen that one yet.
Yeah, he's out there with us, but yeah, they're launching over us. It's cool. We're working with Wilkie, and then the other guy, we gotta figure out who that is, but he's working with the Shelbys.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, we're getting our car. Freaking stole my car, dude. Hey, wait. Hey, wait.
What are we doing?
We're catching him. I'm trying to get my car back, dude.
That thing's gone.
It's just getting further. We're gonna do a little cruise, little walk of the FuelFest Phoenix show. Check out some of these rigs. I've seen most of these because I drive by them on my on my way out to do my laps. But yeah, Jackson's gonna take a couple of the Xcomp VIPs out, let him take some laps, and then we'll go walk the show so we can keep the line moving, which is great. Get to show all you guys all the cool stuff out here in Phoenix. It actually is kind of cool. It's not hot like it normally would be.
Oh, that's nice.
This is great, that's what I'm saying. It's like perfect weather. It's like this in California all year round. You wonder why we never leave. Drifting. We don't get any like test runs or anything, you know? It's just like, of course it's hot. So I'm like, yeah, you're gonna make a little left and a little right. Maybe left again, then right again. Kinda cool. So wicked. Oh, Larry Chen! Larry Chen, I know that guy. A couple GTRs down this way. We're just trying to find some of the wicked rigs. That Volvo's cool. Yeah. I love it. The wagon.
Got a little problem.
Oh no!
This isn't SEMA.
Now we have arrived at the Taste of Tokyo. Introduced with a European car. That is nice.
What do you think about that?
That's super clean. Yeah, they're all pretty slick, honestly. The say that black 34 and the black 32 for sure. Probably top of the list. This S15 is super clean. But yeah, they definitely put all the nicest cars in this row. I mean, of course, you know, killer Supras, and this FD is really nice too. Look at that. Just OEM plus. But yeah, you know, just like OEM plus, clean, simple. Very nice. What do you think? Which one do you like, Rashard?
Well,
The black 34, I just told you. Super is cool. I've never really been a fan of the polish look. Yeah.
I like Evos and Supras.
Yeah? Yeah, this is killer.
XKS too.
Oh, dude, this one has the HKS cam.
Yeah. What's so special about that?
God, I'm gonna have to look it up and tell you. It's like, it's ultra rare, and I don't know enough about it to quote it. But yeah, this is made by HKS, and they add this extra actuator for the camshaft for the variable duration. It's really, really cool. So it adds a ton of torque. So see how this one has this up here? It's got the extra oil line going in, and then the actuator, and like it says HKS power. Come over to this guy. Ain't nothing. So yeah, it's basically an aftermarket eccentric cam, like VTEC for lack of better words. Everybody knows what VTEC is. That's putting VTEC on a Nissan. But yeah, VVTI, VVL, no, that's variable valve lift, not that. Every manufacturer different name, but they never made it on the RB26. It's got new GTR brakes on it too. And it's a V-spec. Very nice. I love these wheels on this blue one. It's like, you know, GTRs always typically have like the monoblock look. These are really cool. It's different. Yeah, it's Nick's car. My buddy Nismo Nick, yeah. So it's got, he went through and put like new Frontier components on an old generation Xterra to kind of make the idea of a modern Xterra, and put like the new Frontier dash and seats and everything into it too, which is really cool. So that's like one of the wildest parts about it. It's like the whole dash with like the new 9-inch screen, everything. It's cool, man. Yeah, just checking her out.
Pop it open for you.
The interior is nice, man. And I love how it's manual. Heck yeah. I love it, dude. I love it. Oh yeah, I was giving him such a hard time.
Long time ago. It was like a year ago.
It was about a year ago.
Yeah.
We're down at the Nissan facility, and we're talking with some of the engineers, and he's like, yeah, you know, I'm gonna do this like take on a 2025 Nissan Xterra, right? And then he goes and says he's gonna stick an LS in it to the Nissan engineers.
And you immediately
I was just like, nope, can't do it, dude, nope.
And then it ended up with a VK56 and
the power of persuasion.
Manual, and yeah, it's like the enthusiast spec.
Yeah.
And in honor of you, I put 35s on it last night, so I can, have some tire. I can't just be around you with 34s.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, it's cool, man.
Yeah.
No,
really good.
It sounds good, dude. I like it.
Yeah, it came out really good.
Yeah.
Z1,
Very
of
nice.
course, took care of a lot of the stuff on this car.
Yeah.
They take care of us very well. Z1's good to us.
Z1's awesome. I love those guys.
Good to us, yeah.
Who did the like the wiring and the tuning?
Upriv did the tune and some of the wiring, and then a master Nissan tech did the wiring.
Yeah.
Because it's a Frontier harness from Canada, a Titan harness. Harnesses from Xterra, and it's all like married to each other.
So gauges work, power seat works, lights work, everything works. So it's a running and driving car that drives like a normal car.
That's awesome.
I mean, I did 80 on the way here today, and it's got 6 piston brakes in the front from Paragon. They actually built the brakes for this, so I mean, it's a real car. It's not your like blue SEMA build.
Yeah. So you're gonna be. So you've been driving this thing on the highway and everything? Yeah. Putting some miles on her.
Yeah.
It's great. How's that one doing?
Great. I
Yeah.
got the Hot Wheels wheels went viral over the summer, so I had them build me a gold set. So.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so they're 18 by 9.5, 22 offset.
That's wild, man.
Yeah.
We have 12 minutes to get all the way back there. So we probably will not be going back with food. You've seen those memes where it's this actor, Noel, where it's he's Hector in every movie, and they're just totally embracing it. Just Hector in every movie. So FuelFest is it's a really fun, pretty cool, chill event. It's just one day, which is one of the reasons why I love it. So like everyone just packs in, we do the whole day, and roll home. It's not dragging out for 2 or 3 days trying to figure out how to keep the crowd excited, right? It's just hit it and quit it. So they have a really good event staff. I've worked with some of them for over 10 years in other categories. Actually, here he comes right now. There he is, Dan. Yeah. Yeah, they put on a great show. You can see all the different cars that show up and how how diverse it is, which is cool. You get supercars, you get little dailies, classics, new cars. Like that's what's pretty cool about the FuelFest event specifically, because like where else do you see a C10 next to a 34 across from a K truck next to a Lucid? It's like because the FuelFest fans, they're just like mostly Fast and Furious fans, right? So obviously FuelFest comes, with the intention of like the Fast and Furious vibes, right? Cody Walker is kind of like the main lead of it all from that family, and Tyrese comes out. Let's go again! Vin Diesel's come out before. But that's what's cool, because that's what gives you this very, very wide range of vehicles and people. You normally don't see this type of variety at like a Formula Drift or a Hyperfest, so it's just like very top to bottom, just car and automotive fans.